You are welcome to the Facebook ad course for beginners. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can confirm your identity so that you'll be able to run ads on Facebook and Instagram successfully. So that your account will not be restricted, you are going to log into your Facebook profile. You can see I am already on my profile now. So I'm going to click on this profile picture and go to Settings and Privacy. Then I'll go to Settings. I'm going to go towards the left-hand side. I'll click here. Here I can edit my name. My name would be exactly what is on my ID card. And mind you, you can only change this within a space of 60 days. I have changed my name in the last 60 days, so I won't be able to change it now. And that is why you are seeing this red icon. Okay, so I cannot change it now, but for you, you'll be able to change it. That is if you have not changed it within the last 60 days. And before you go to confirm your identity, make sure you have changed your name to exactly as it is on your ID card. Don't make mistakes in the spelling. So I'm going to go into personal detail now. And here, make sure you have added your email address, your birthday, and here you'll be able to complete your identity confirmation. Click on this. Click Get Started. And make sure the phone number that you are going to link to your account is with you. Because in the process of confirming your identity, you will be required to set up two-factor authentication. So you are going to click on this Get Started. You will set up your two-factor authentication. When asked reason, choose running ads about social issues, elections, or politics. The image of your ID card you are going to use, make sure the size is 1000 by 1500 megapixels, in case you don't know how to resize it. Let me show you how you can resize it. This is my own ID card. If you are snapping the ID card, make sure the background is a solid dark background. You can use some things like carpets, fabric material like bed sheets or tiles. Something solid. They want to be sure you have the ID card physically with you. And please don't use a white background so that the edges of your ID card will be clear. And then use a high-quality camera to snap it. And do not allow glare or shadow to fall on it. Alright, when you are done with your snapshot, then you can edit it to be the acceptable size. So you are going to go to the folder where you save it. Right-click on it and open it with Paint. You click on Resize. Click on Pixel. If you look at this now, this is the horizontal size. And this is the vertical size. So I can change this one to 1000. And when I change this one to 1000, this one becomes 1531. What if I take this one to 1500? This one is now less than 1000. So instead of that, make this one to be 1000 so that it will not go below the requirements. And when you are done, you can now save it. You are now ready to upload it. And once you upload it, you wait for like 24 hours. Most of the time, they reply within 24 hours. And if you do it correctly, you are sure to get your identity verified. When your identity is verified, you can then go to the next stage, which is creating your business manager account. I will show you that in the next video. Click the link in the description of this video to gain access to the complete Facebook ads course for beginners. See you in class.